Hello, transportation maintenance professionals. Let's talk about getting started in the Highway Maintenance Management Associate's degree program and your road to success. Taking the first steps towards your degree is so easy and only takes a few minutes online. Let's look at the website and I'll show you how to do it. You go to the frontrange.edu website, click on it, Getting Started, and then click on the Admissions button, and it brings you to this page. So you choose whatever your situation happens to be. If you're brand new to college, you choose that. If you're transferring, you choose transferring. If you're military, choose that button. Whatever your situation happens to be, pick it, and it will click on it, and it will take you through the prompts to get started. As soon as you apply and are accepted, you'll be issued an email address and a student ID number. Your new email address is the main way the college will communicate with you going forward. They'll send you updates on information that's important and dates that you may need. So make sure you go in there and check that periodically once you've been issued an email. If you have credits from a previous college, now's the time to contact that previous college and have those credits transferred to Front Range to see which ones might apply to the highway program. It's a great way to see where you're starting from and how far you have to go. If you're starting college for the first time, apply now. There's no high school diploma requirement, and a Pathways advisor will help you through the process. I will always be available to help with all things related to the highway courses and electives and anything to do with the prior learning assessment process that we're using here. Remember, your workplace training courses can help you earn college credits. Call me today. You still have 5 weeks to get started. I'm looking forward to helping you be successful on your road to a highway maintenance management degree program. My contact information is, my phone number is 970-204-8175. My email address is susan.belargin@frontrange.edu. And your Pathways advisor is Gina Shiba, and her information is 970-204-8434 or gina.shiba@frontrange.edu. Call us today. We're excited to talk with you.